The paths have been walked by many before you and me, but how you walk your path is entirely your own. And still, we never truly walk alone. The wisdom of ancient civilizations, of those who came before us, still lives within us. Our ancestral lines live in our bones. Their wisdom moves through us. But to access it, you must reconnect with your true essence. Not the version of yourself buried beneath fear, shame, conditioning, and survival. The true you. The one who listens when the body speaks through instinct. The one who understands that the lessons born from our darkest shadows become wisdom. And that wisdom, when lived honestly, can help illuminate the path for others without controlling their journey. Because truth is self-knowledge, and self-knowledge is born in stillness. Only in the stillness can you hear the real you. Only in the stillness can you remember the wisdom already within you. This is why you walk the path. So welcome the stillness into your life. Be intentional with your solitude. Make space to hear the frequency of truth and listen for the response.